Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. O you who is ever living, all alert. Why am I calling out to Him? We die, Allah doesn't die. People around us pass on, Allah doesn't pass on. People are helpless, Allah is not helpless. Everyone else is helpless. The people you turn to for help, they themselves cannot help themselves. Subhanallah. And we turn to people for help, they will let us down. Turn to Allah. What does Allah say? Listen to this dua taught by the Prophet ﷺ. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. O you who is ever living, all alert. Birahmatika astaghith. Istighatha means to seek help in desperation. So birahmatika astaghith means I desperately seek your mercy. That's what it means. Rahmatika, your mercy is what I desperately seek. Aslih li sha'ni kullah. Make good for me all my affairs. Help me in all my affairs. The difficulty, the hardship, the grief, the sorrow, the loss, whatever it is, oh Allah, help me in all my affairs. Aslih li sha'ni kullah. Wa la takilni ila nafsi tarfata ayn. And don't leave me to myself. Don't leave me alone. Don't forsake me, even for the blinking of an eye. One blink of my eye, I don't want you to go away from me. I don't want you to leave me because I'm not going to survive. That's a dua of the Prophet ﷺ. Let's learn the dua. Call out to Allah using this dua many times a day. No fixed number. Ya Hayyu Ya Qayyum. Birahmatika astaghith. Aslih li sha'ni kullah. Wa la takilni ila nafsi tarfata ayn. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. See the doors opening.